Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Things We Make. Today we're going to be talking about our R33 Skyline headlight restoration and modification. I'm going to let Mr. Carlos take over. He's the one that does this for us, and he's going to give you a quick rundown of exactly what we do, how we do it, and how it looks.
How we doing, everybody? What we have here today is an R33 Skyline headlight, and we're going to show you what we have done with it. This one in particular, we put a brand new lens on it, and I added a carbon fiber insert detail, which you can see here at the bottom. We add different options that you can add to these lights. One of them is a projector retrofit that I can do to these headlights. And again, this is a 20-something plus year old headlight, and they become brand new once you put a brand new lens on them. You can customize them, personalize them with the options that we do offer here. These here are the famous S3 xenon headlights from the R33. These pretty much came on the last R33s that they were built. And these headlights right now can go for over $4,000 for the pair. If you can find them used, great, but you will be paying a pretty penny for these lights. If you want something like this, but you don't have that kind of budget, or you just don't want to spend that kind of money on just headlights, we can show you what we can do here by retrofitting your existing headlights. This is a good friend, Mike's car. He came to me with these headlights. These were pretty beat up. If you want to see what they look like before, you can see the before pictures on my Instagram, Lowe's Customs. So these headlights have a brand new lens on them. I added a carbon fiber insert detail, and I retrofit them with a 2.5-inch projector that actually works as a high beam as well. It comes with a side plug that you can plug or connect with the high beam, and you can use it as a high beam as well. I added the chrome shroud around it to kind of make it look like the S3 series headlight, and I removed the glass lens from the high beam that you saw on the first lights from Haley's car. One thing that I like about how I do these lights is the fact that you can still use the factory hardware on the backside of the headlight to adjust the aim of the projector. So everything remains the same, everything remains factory on the backside of, on the exterior housing of the headlight. It's the latest from Morimoto. They have version 6, version 7, this is the version 8. And again, it doubles as a high beam as well. And it gives you a very, very clear light. If you don't want to spend the $4,000 on a pair of headlights, we can do a facelift on your lights by adding new lenses, a carbon fiber touch, and a projector retrofit. If you don't want the projector, you don't want the carbon, we can just update them with the lens and just clean the inside or repaint the insert for you. Thank you very much.
So how that Mexican place streets better than other Mexican places?
My comes naturally.
Well, now you have.
It's got to be organic.
Now you have.
Yeah, now.
Go yourself, kid. We're back.